Today I'm going to show you how to put up a stud wall, and we're going to be using metal stud. We're going to place the wall here. We're going to be putting the door lining and the door. Here's the metal studs we're going to be using. Metal stud wall consists of two parts. Track, which is a flat profile that goes on the floor and the ceiling. The studs, which consist of a lip on either side. This is called C stud, and it just clicks into this track stud. Very easy to cut. It's a lot quicker than traditional wood. First thing we have to do is measure where we're gonna end our track for the door opening. I'm gonna make my wall the width of the plasterboard, which is 1800. I'm gonna chop out the skirting so we can run our first stud straight up the wall. To get my position of the track, measure from this side and this side, match that from here to here. We have to cut the thickness of the track plus 12.5 millimeters either side for the plasterboard. I've set the channel, it's time to cut the track. And there's a cut edge. Place the cut edge against the wall, flush edge for the door frame. Fix the track down. And measure where my door lining is going to go. Mark that off and cut that track in. Make sure it all fits. Set our studs left and right. Same again for the other side. .600 centers because this is an 1800 board. I've aligned this with the insides of these studs. I put the door in situ, made a mark as to where my head is going to be. Going to cut some track, doctor that in so we have a header for our door. Take our measurement across, measure down to our line. You want to end up with something that looks like this. That one over there to the line. That's our door header. Bring the door frame in, bring the header down and screw in with wafer head screws. These are the wafer heads, very thin so the plasterboard doesn't stick out proud when it overlaps the screw. They're self-tapping, which means they have a point on the end which drills into metal. Make sure it's all level with the level. Pack a packer in there. Another packer. Set your square to the thickness of the plasterboard. Transfer that mark all the way down the jamb. Attach some wood here for our door lining to fix onto. I'm going to use what's known in the game as tile batting. I'm going to slot this into the back, drill all the way through and add screws all the way down. And that is the door jamb secure.